Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Warju. I am come from Department of Mechanical Engineering, Faculty of Engineering, Universitas Negeri Surabaya. Today, I would like to talk to you about my paper entitled Experimental Study on the Effectiveness of the Brass Catalytic Converter in Reducing Exhaust Emission of four-stroke motorcycles. And this my team research, Sudirman Rizky Arianto, Atta Siva Nugraha, and Muhammad Yandi Pratama. In part 1, talking about introduction. Based on data from Asosiasi Ikatan Sepeda Motor Indonesia or AISI in 2021, state that the motor vehicle population in Indonesia grew up rapidly, and data from Dirlantas Polda Jatim state that every year in Surabaya added around 1 million motorcycle every year. The biggest cause of air pollution comes from motor vehicle exhaust emission. As we know that exhaust system from motor vehicle produce several exhaust emissions such as carbon monoxide, hydrocarbon, and nitrogen oxide. For this reason, we must to reduce exhaust emission from the vehicle with new technology. One of the technology can be used to reduce exhaust emission from vehicle is catalytic converter technology. As we know that generally, catalytic converter made from platinum, rhodium, and palladium metals, noble metals. The high price of metal is starting to become a problem. For this reason, we must use transition metal can be alternative solution such as brass-based catalytic converter. Generally consists of a chemical wrap in a metal casing and specially designed to direct the exhaust gas flow toward a metal catalyst. Based on previous research that the density function theory states that it will be very efficient if the catalytic converter activity uses copper metal and also copper oxide for the carbon monoxide oxidation reaction. And based on Warju et al. Research said that catalyst made of chrome plate plus brass metal can reduce exhaust emission of carbon monoxide and hydrocarbon in internal combustion engine, the percentage of respectively 88.41% and 39.84%. And part 2, talking about research methodology. This research is experimental research. Muffler with variation of brass catalytic converter placed in the exhaust manifold around 150 mm from the end of the exhaust port. The position of catalytic converter serves to maximize the heat temperature of the vehicle exhaust gases so that the reduction of oxidation of carbon monoxide and hydrocarbon exhaust gas is perfect or significantly. And we comparing to the original muffler from Astra Honda Motor. We use several instruments to get carbon monoxide, hydrocarbon, and temperature from several equipment. We must use several equipment in my laboratory, such as exhaust gas analyzer, stopwatch, blower, digital tachometer, and exhaust gas and chassis dynamometer. This is engine test band specification. We use a 4-stroke engine and single overhead camshaft with 1 cylinder. It has engine capacity 100 cm3 and bore and stroke around 50 multiply 49.5 millimeter. Exhaust gas emission testing standard for vehicle using SNI 19718.3 2005. Based on experiment stated, the CO emission graph versus lambda and hydrocarbon emission graph versus lambda, we can see from the graph that by using brass catalytic converter can reduce carbon monoxide and hydrocarbon significantly. And comparing to the standard of Minister of Environment Regulation number 4 of 2019, we state that the all variation of modified muffler with brass catalytic converter pass the test of exhaust emission. In the last session, talking about conclusion, the first one, the average reduction of carbon monoxide emission and its RPM is 52%. And the second, the average reduction of hydrocarbon emission at its RPM is 29%. And I get several patents from Indonesian government. This is my patent in 2018 about environmentally friendly muffler. And also we get a merit from Indonesian government in 2020. And please go to my YouTube channel, Doctoral Innovation, to learn more about how to test emission and how to test torque and power from the engine. And this is my author profile. Thank you very much. I think this is all my presentation. Thank you very much, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.